At Tomato.io, we're taking a new approach to automation in greenhouses. Did you know, in 2014, more than 70% of farmers in North America could not meet hiring expectations due to labor shortages? In fact, we continue to see the number of job vacancies in this sector increase year over year due to harsh working conditions and increased employment laws for foreign workers. In North America, tomatoes represent the most commonly grown crop in greenhouses, with over 40% of the market share today. And farmers are looking for ways to automate the harvesting of tomatoes because labor is a #1 driver of their costs. This is due to increases in minimum wages, as well as the fact that most farmers need to go through third-party labor contracting firms to find enough workers. At Tomato.io, we're building a platform to automate the picking of tomatoes in greenhouses. Our solution combines computer vision with robotics in order to accurately identify and pick tomatoes. This will allow us to detect ripeness level of the fruits in order to guarantee the optimal picking time, while also enabling 24/7 harvesting. To bring our product to market, we plan on following a subscription-based business model because it will encourage our customers to transition to our service at a low risk, while also allowing them to become dependent on our technology. Compared to the current method of manually hand-picking tomatoes, we estimate that over the course of 5 years, we can save farmers up to 60% of picking-related expenses. Over the last few years, robotics has been a growing presence in the agricultural industry, proving that farmers are willing to adapt to using new technologies. We are looking to capitalize on this recent transition with our solution. There are currently no products available on the market that solve the problem outlined in this presentation. Farmers are stuck competing over a dwindling population of harvesting laborers. There are, however, others that are working towards similar goals as Tomato.io. The two most prominent examples are Root AI and MetaMotion. Root AI focuses on harvesting cherry tomatoes specifically, which represent a smaller market share than the beefsteak tomatoes, which we target. Their technology actually twists the cherry tomatoes off the vine, which is an approach that's not compatible with our beefsteak tomatoes due to thicker vines. MetaMotion, on the other hand, has an emphasis on harvesting whole bunches of vine tomatoes. Again, this approach is unsuitable for beefsteak tomatoes, where individual tomatoes reach maturity at different times. Our solution is the only one able to identify and harvest individual tomatoes. Last year alone, farmers spent over $1.3 billion on harvesting tomatoes in greenhouses. About 70% of this market share is concentrated right here in Ontario, and Leamington is actually recognized as the greenhouse capital of North America, making this a local and attainable market. In terms of traction, we've already built our first prototype and developed the software to make it all work. Here you can see the robot in action. We've tested it on our test setup, but now we need to test it in real greenhouses. The Norman Esch Entrepreneurship Award will go towards testing in real greenhouse environments and funding the next design iterations to perfect our product. So far, we've reached out to local greenhouses, like Elmira's own, to completely understand the problem space that we're working in, and to ensure that we're building a solution that addresses all of their needs. We've also met with industry experts at Vineland Research Center, a federally funded agricultural organization. After sharing our progress with the head researcher at Vineland, he wrote, "Wow, this is seriously impressive. Vision, end effector prototyping, and manipulator integration. Please pass on a resounding congratulations to the team. I have a million questions, and if I had it my way, I would hire the whole team and get you over here to continue this product." Finally, we're collaborating with RoboHub, a robotics lab at the University of Waterloo, to prove out our platform. We have a strong team of mechanical and mechatronics engineers with diverse backgrounds in automation design, computer vision, and controls engineering, making us the ideal team to build out this solution. We are Tomato.io, and we are picking a brighter future. Thank you.